Let's begin with what is new at this excellent home located in the popular gated community of Wesmere. New driveway in 2018, new exterior renovation in 2015, new fence in 2014, new roof in 2014, and new plumbing in 2014 as well. Not a bad way to start off. Outside, the combination of blooming mature landscaping, new roof and new driveway offers a fantastic first impression. Inside, vaulted ceilings and plenty of windows immediately direct your attention. The added Florida room with sliding windows and wood plank tile flooring. As an open floor plan, this home is perfect for entertaining. The dining room with plantation shutters is easily accessible to both the kitchen and also the living and family room areas. The kitchen features a double oven range, all appliances and access to the full-size laundry room. The master suite has a great view of the backyard in addition to a block patio. The master bath features a big walk-in closet, plantation shutters over the garden tub, separate shower and 2 sinks. There are 3 additional bedrooms, second full bath and plenty of room for everyone. Wesmere offers a beautiful community pool.